Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make your OPPO A6 Pro 5G faster. So if you want to maximize the performance on your phone to make the most out of it, here are a few tips to do that. And the first one would be to keep about 10 to 15% of your storage freed up. So if you go to settings and then scroll down to about device and then tap on storage, we can see how much storage is used up on our phone. And if your phone storage is filled up to its fullest, so 256 gigabytes, or if you have more, if all of them are filled up, that might make your phone slower because it has to manage a lot of gigabytes that are used up, and that may slow down your device. So make sure that you just have about 10 to 15% of your storage free, and that will make your phone run better. And now the next thing that we're going to do is limit background apps. So some apps on your phone might be running in the background the whole time, and that also might slow down your phone. So if you want to limit that, we're going to go to apps, and then we're going to go to app management, and just find some of the apps on your phone. So if you tap on them, some of the apps are going to be running in the background. So if we have the manage app if unused option off, we should turn it on for all of the apps, or at least most of the apps, so that when the apps aren't used, they're going to be limited, so they won't use up as much of the performance. So this is how you do that. You can do that with pretty much any app in your phone. As you can see, manage app if unused, make sure that that is enabled in all of the apps. Then we also have the RAM expansion. So this phone has a feature which is called RAM expansion, and it basically assigns some of the normal storage to RAM. And if we scroll down to about device, tap on that, and then scroll down to RAM and tap on it, you can see that it uses total 8 gigabytes, and then it's added 8 gigabytes. So RAM expansion is enabled, and as you can see, it can expand by 8 gigabytes. But keep in mind that you need this space on your phone. So make sure that you have at least 8 additional gigabytes if you're adding them to your RAM. Then we also have the option to reduce or disable animations. So if we go to the search and look up animation, we have a bunch of options. So we have something like fingerprint animations, app animation speed, fingerprint animation sound, and remove animations. So just make sure to play around with these settings, and make sure to limit some animations if you want that. So as you can see right now, the apps don't open, for example, with animations. They just straight up appear on your screen. And if we disable that, as you can see, there is a little animation that plays. So if you want even more performance, make sure to enable that. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.